Action, start. You got dead air.
I got dead air.
I'm already bored.
Hi, I'm Anna Vicino.
Back to one.
Off camera is Lauren Tarquinio, love of my life.
Yeah, why did you wear flouncy sleeves?
You're probably wondering why I'm cooking this in the pan.
Say, why are you cooking that in the pan?
I don't need you to ham-splain me.
Oh.
Don't ham-splain me, bro.
And
pork shaming and ham-splaining. That's what we do over here.
Rizzoli and Isles.
The hammer. Got the tongs. I got the hammer.
Now flip and pound.
Oh, see?
All right, never mind.
I'm obviously not left-handed. Red pepper flakes. If I wasn't talking so much, it would get done a lot quicker.
We're like hour 3 here.
We're not an hour 3.
No, we're not.
Bacon bits!
Eye in the prize.
If we just had a third kind of pork in here, it would be a trifecta. Okay.
Like a hot dog?
Now you're speaking my love language. I guess we're done. What do you say to wrap these things up? What are you supposed to say?
Say goodnight. We salute you.
We salute you.
Good ending.